Hey, I'm Chad Reed and I ride for 22 Motorsports.
Hey, this is Eli Tomac. I'm 18 years old. I ride for Geico Honda team.
Last time we were in Broome, I think it was 05.
I'm gonna go with 06.
I was there in 05. 06 I was hurt. I didn't make that one. I want to say that I think it was like 40 years that we're celebrating actual motocross, I think, and I know that they've been around for a while, so I don't even know the answer.
I think Hangtown is held, I think this year was the 43rd annual.
Budds Creek, Unadilla, and Carlsbad. Why do I get American questions? I'm not American.
Glen Helen, Budds Creek, and Unadilla.
I don't even know how long Racer X has been around. I wouldn't even know where to guess.
I'll say they've been around for 15 years.
2 jumps, Laraca's Leap, and Chuck's Son at Washougal. It's more than that. There's the Donnie Schmidt jump in Millville. And
there's Laraca's Leap, and then there's I think the RC double at Mount Morris. I think that's considered one.
At Loretta Lynn's. Isn't it? I think Alessi is the most, I heard.
I think Kevin Walker has the most championships.